kapuso karong Marso atong ginasaulog sab ang National Cerebral Palsy Awareness Month. Ug subay ni ana atong makauban si Bryant Alinsub. Siya diagnosed with cerebral palsy apan inspiring kaayo ang iyang storya mga kapuso tungod kay wala siya nagpapildi sa iyang balation. Karon usa na siya ka electrical engineer. Hello and good morning Nico and welcome dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta ka?
Hello, good morning everyone. So, thank you for having me today. So, thank you for giving me the time to share my story to everyone.
Nico, we are very glad nga kauban ka namo this morning to share your story and inspire others because you were diagnosed with cerebral palsy since you were young, right? Can you share with us kung unsa or kumusta ba ang imong kinabuhi, living and growing up with cerebral palsy?
Growing up with cerebral palsy, tough pero at the same time fulfilling. So, lisod siya because you don't get to share the normal experiences of a child. So, such as walking, playing outside. But it's also fulfilling because once you get to be yourself and at the same time, reach your goals step by step. So, you get to inspire a lot of people. So, that is very fulfilling on my end as well.
Unsa pod ba ang mga treatments nga imong gipang-agihan?
So, moto, physical therapy since 8 months old until now. So, padayon lang o consult with doctors and continuous collaboration with physical therapists to at least keep the cerebral palsy na effect sa kuha as minimum as possible. Dili siya, dili kayo grabe ang effect sa kuha due to physical therapy.
Can you take us back to that moment nga bata pa ka unsa may greatest wish nimo kaniadto?
Personally, my child wish was to really be a paleontologist. I can still remember that the paleontologist is someone who is closely working with fossils, dinosaurs. As we another child wish that I had was really to be able to walk, like to may makalakaw og tarong. So, whenever their birthday na ako, 8 years old. So, by 10, siguro makalakaw na ako. Then, wala gyapon by 10 years old. Andun na, dili na day. So, you just have to accept. It's part of life. I am happy where I am today.
You were diagnosed with spastic cerebral palsy ug tungod niini apektado ang imuhang mga muscles mo, dili ka makalakaw. Unsa ba ang mga common frustrations nimo at the time as a kid ug even karon nga dako na ka?
Well, the common frustration would really be in terms of mobility. So, mobility is the, ability to move freely. So, kasi as someone, I always use the walker or the wheelchair. So, those are my frustrations now, something that takes me off. Also, as a child, whenever my classmates or my friends play around outside, so I obviously cannot play patintero or things so I can only just watch. And also, I am despite that, I'm a huge fan of basketball. No? It's also a frustrating thing na I know so much about basketball, but I can't play basketball per se. So, hanggang video games na lang. So, yun, those are just my frustrations when I was still a kid. But as I grow older, I tend to accept na.
Nico, paunsa pwede mo gina-process ang tanan o gidawat ang imuhang sitwasyon knowing nga wala po'y tambal hangtod karon ang cerebral palsy?
Well, that's true. There is wala gid say proper tambal. Okay? So, it's always about treatment. Physical therapy, consulting with doctors, etc. Also, I tend to accept na this is really it. Okay? I can't walk, I can't run. So, it's better rather than sulking in. Maluoy kasi mo sarili. And depending on others, wala kang sense of self-fulfillment. And that is the key. You have to be fulfilled in what you do, in what you are doing, so that pag wala kang regrets later on in life. And that is the thing that I try to live by. There is no excuse for being productive member sa society sa Davao despite the challenge of being a PWD.
Inspiring gyud kaayo Kamiko tungod kay luyo sa imuhang kaagi nakahuman kag eskwela ug karon usa na ka electrical engineer. Unsa ba imuhang inspiration ug ang imong motivation to be able to pursue your dreams?
Well, the number one inspiration, motivation is really being independent. So although I cannot be really be independent, na iiwan lang ako somewhere, I can go, no? I still need help from other people, especially my loved ones. But at the same time, there is still na you need to accomplish yung mga goals mo in life, yung mga aspirations mo in life in helping or in being a productive member of the society. And that's also one of my inspirations and my motivations. Aside from my goals, I want also to help others. So it's a give and take process.
Napaka-brave mo, Miko, and saludo kami sa imuha. Ug naami gamay nga sorpresa alang kanimo tungod kay National Cerebral Palsy Awareness Month man karon. Let's watch this.
Hi, Bob. I know you've heard this many times, but I will never get tired of telling you how proud I am of you. I've witnessed you doubt yourself and question the decisions you've made, but you never let those fears weigh you down, and you have come such a long way. I can't wait to see you conquer even greater heights and do even better things in the future. I know that you will be able to achieve anything that you put your mind into, and I know that there are a lot of people who are inspired by your determination and your courage to live life unapologetically. I hope you know how grateful I am to have you in my life, and I hope that we get to create a very beautiful life for ourselves one day. You're my better half. I love you, and again, I am proud of you.
Surprise! Chase your dreams, Kuya. Always continue to inspire others, not just your family, but other people. As we've been telling you since you were little, whenever you walk into a room, you always bring that positive vibe. So continue that.
I make my junior engineer. Congratulations for around 24 years in existence. Despite of all the hardship and difficulties, you made it. So keep going and inspiring others.
Hi, Kuya. Thank you always for being supportive and always being there for me, and especially in my academic.
And to all the parents who have special kids, stay focused, and it's okay to be lost sometimes. Good news is that right now we have a template. You have Nico as your template.
Just one word to add, teamwork.
Yes, teamwork.
Daghan kaayong salamat, Nico, sa imuhang oras ug pag-share sa imuhang journey in dealing with cerebral palsy. Nahimo gyud kang inspirasyon alang sa atong mga kapuso. Stay strong always. Thank you so much, and God bless you.
Thank you everyone for listening.